civilization can easily be overwhelmed by excess, even of beneficial things. The foundation of civilization is language, the tool we use to construct ideas. Symbols such as mathematical equations and musical notation are also pivotal, similar to how money symbolically facilitates trade. However, an overabundance can blur the distinction between symbols and their meanings. Alfred Korzybski famously illustrated this with his analogy that a map, while useful, is not the actual territory it represents. For instance, political maps with their rigid boundaries contrast sharply with the true, irregular shapes of Earth's landscapes and bodies of water. Nature inherently lacks straight lines. This tendency to oversimplify complex realities into neat categories extends to how we view ourselves and the world. We often try to impose arbitrary divisions where none exist, like trying to pinpoint where the head ends and the neck begins. Our environments, including the air we breathe and the landscapes we alter, defy such clear-cut separation. This misconception leads to harmful decisions, such as the use of DDT, which had catastrophic ecological impacts due to a failure to recognize the interconnectedness of all life. Our skin, for instance, is not a barrier but a porous membrane connecting us to the world. Every element of our existence is integrated. You cannot have an inside without an outside. Civilization's struggles, including environmental and social challenges, stem from these fundamental misunderstandings. Recognizing our integral connection to the world is essential for any sustainable future. Moreover, our personal and cultural identities are constructed from these same flawed perceptions. We adhere to simplistic notions of self, constrained by social labels and the past, rather than embracing the present moment as our primary reality. Time itself is a concept often misunderstood. The present isn't a fleeting instant between past and future, but the only true moment we ever have. In response to these challenges, meditation offers a way to experience reality directly, beyond words and concepts. It isn't about self-improvement or preparation for future events, but is practiced to connect deeply with the present, where true understanding lies. Just as music doesn't need to mean anything to be enjoyed, meditation allows us to experience life without the need for constant interpretation. Embracing a holistic view of life and recognizing the limits of our linguistic and conceptual frameworks can lead to a profound understanding of our place in the universe. It is not about segmenting life into categories, but about appreciating the seamless whole.